Prepare to be amazed by Boom Technology's ambitious leap into the future of aviation. The XB-1, or Baby Boom, took its first flight on March 22nd, hitting speeds of 439 km per hour. This supersonic demonstrator, crafted from advanced carbon fiber composites and titanium, sets the stage for the Overture, an airliner designed to soar at Mach 1.7, over 2,000 km per hour. The Overture will accommodate up to 80 passengers, boasting a range of 7,870 kilometers. Boom Technology focuses on reducing sonic booms and enhancing fuel efficiency. With Overture testing slated for 2027 and passenger flights expected by 2029. Urban commutes may soon be revolutionized by the groundbreaking concepts from the ACE VTOL team. Introducing the Slipstream Elite and Trinity, these VTOL vehicles aim to transform urban air mobility. The Slipstream Elite is a high-performance, two-seater electric car capable of vertical takeoff and landing, featuring remote control AI algorithms and for plasma engines. Meanwhile, the Trinity can accommodate up to 7 passengers, reaching speeds of 354 km per hour with a range of 200 km. Built from lightweight carbon fiber composites and aluminum alloys, both models ensure quiet, eco-friendly operation with advanced avionics for safe, autonomous flight. I love videos showcasing various lunar transportation concepts, some beautiful, but far from reality. However, Toyota has taken lunar exploration seriously with their innovative lunar cruiser, developed in collaboration with the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency JAXA. Expected to debut on the Moon by 2040, this vehicle is comparable in size to many buses and is designed to carry 2 people normally, or for in emergencies, with a range exceeding 10,000 kilometers, featuring a pressurized cabin for crewed missions, advanced fuel cell technology, and a robotic arm for maintenance tasks. The lunar cruiser promises reliable, long-duration exploration and scientific research on the Moon. The NFrontier is here with the NFrontier Uila. Not just a toy or gimmick, but a fully fledged eVTOL electric vehicle. Weighing only 70 kilograms, it offers impressive capabilities traveling up to 70 kilometers at speeds of 25 kilometers per hour and comfortably seating 2 people. This marvel of technology can be charged by pedaling, ridden without a license, and even on bicycle paths. With advanced avionics and autonomous parking, Uila makes urban commutes eco-friendly and efficient, adding multimedia capabilities for music on the go. This vehicle is set to revolutionize urban transportation, all for an estimated price well under $10,000. Whether the GAC-era concept becomes a production vehicle remains uncertain, but it offers a glimpse into the future of automotive design. This innovative electric vehicle runs on hydrogen fuel cells, delivering an impressive 540 horsepower and a range of over 800 kilometers. Prioritizing environmental consciousness, some parts are made from recycled plastic. The ERA concept is designed for urban and suburban commuting, featuring advanced autonomous driving capabilities and a sleek, aerodynamic design constructed with lightweight, high-strength materials like aluminum alloys and carbon fiber composites. It ensures zero-emission transportation. Inside, a spacious, tech-centric interior with smart connectivity features defines the future of sustainable and intelligent mobility. Callum Callum Skye epitomizes off-road style and urban sophistication, merging the comfort of crossovers with the rugged ability of buggies. Designed by renowned automotive designer Callum, this luxury electric SUV offers a range of about 270 kilometers and a lightning-fast battery charge in just 10 minutes. Available in several versions, including the cherry for urban use and the silver orange for off-road adventures. The Skye accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 4 seconds. Constructed from lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber composites, it ensures eco-friendly performance, durability, and safety, redefining modern luxury with state-of-the-art connectivity and autonomous driving capabilities. The MANSORY team excels in enhancing luxury cars like the Bugatti Veyron, ensuring that custom tuning remains captivating amidst future advancements. Their latest concept, a flying hypercar, draws inspiration from iconic vehicles such as the Ferrari F50 and Pagani Huayra. Boasting plenty of carbon fiber and advanced aerodynamic features, it also includes impressive technology like autopilots, remote control, and smart navigators. Yet, the true allure lies in manually controlling such a masterpiece, known for upgrading brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Rolls-Royce. MANSORY uses premium materials to elevate both aesthetic appeal and performance, catering to clients seeking unparalleled luxury and individuality. Motability Operations, boasting Britain's largest rental fleet, truly understands their customers' needs. In collaboration with the designers at Callum, they've developed the eVITA, a concept electric vehicle tailored for wheelchair users. This van can travel 320 kilometers on a single charge, featuring two convenient charging ports at the front and rear. The interior is adaptable, designed for user convenience. When parking, a special light signals to other drivers to leave space for wheelchair access. Constructed from lightweight aluminum alloys and high-strength composites, eVITA ensures zero emissions and includes modern amenities like smart connectivity and autonomous driving capabilities, making it a forward-thinking solution for urban mobility.